Clearly, fame isn't everything.
Hello, I am Mr. Obama. I will guide you through this amazing movie about a boy who lived, but did not get laid.
There was nothing about the sky sky that night to suggest that strange and mysterious things would soon be happening. As our unsuspecting moguls slept, a huge motorbike with a giant astride on it tumbled down from the darkness. The giant, named Hagrid, left a blanket wrapped bundle on the doorstep of number 4 Clifford Drive. Nestled in the bundle was a baby. Harry Potter, the boy who lived. For the next 11 years, Harry lived with his dreadful step-parents, the Dursleys. Until that fateful day, when he received the letter inviting him to attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Hagrid took Harry diagonally to purchase a most unusual list of school supplies. While a Gringotts wizard band, Hagrid collected a scruffy package from Vault 713, mentioning to Harry that the package, whatever it was, would be safer at Hogwarts. Soon after, Harry caught the Hogwarts Express from platform 9 3/4 and left the Muggle world far behind. Dumbledore stood up. This term, the corridor on the 3rd floor is out of bounds to everyone who does not wish to suffer a most painful death. Harry sat beneath the sorting hat, hoping that he would not be chosen for Slytherin House over Gryffindor. Not Slytherin, eh? Said the hat in his ear. You could be great. It's all here in your head, and Slytherin will have you on your way to greatness. No? Well, if you're so, let it be. Gryffindor!
What happened next, Noon saw coming.